If the lake life is one of your dreams, let F&S Building Innovations help. They took this Manita home and made it so much more. Last week we took a look inside. This week we take a look at the exterior.
Welcome back to Your Home. I'm Alicia Smith with F&S Building Innovations. Of course, I've got our intern here with us. This is Rebecca Cox. So last week we showed you the interior renovation of a Smith Mountain Lake home that was gutted. We added a large addition on the front that completely transformed the inside. Well, this week we want to show you the exterior of the home.
And I've seen the before pictures, and this transformation is incredible.
So with this home, with adding the addition on the front, it obviously changed the aesthetics of the home. We did all new siding, which is a blue Board Batten. And just for the record, this is the second blue home that we've done in this neighborhood. The owners makes a joke that all we do is blue homes here. These folks also needed a new roof, so since we were doing new shingles and roofing on the addition, we went ahead and did the rest of the home as well to make sure that it was cohesive. In addition to that, we needed to do the garage so that it didn't look like it was added on, that it was part of the initial remodel. So that got new siding, new roofing. It also got a new garage door. And that garage door color is kind of what triggered the owner's plans for coloring with the deck. So we're going to take a look at the porch here in just a second and show you some of these Trex products.
So for these clients, this is their retirement home. So what better way to relax and enjoy the lake than get these maintenance-free products?
That's right. So these folks chose Trex, a composite product, for their deck. They went with a spiced rum deck. The railings are a vintage lantern with a black baluster, so it gives them a nice, clean look for these railings. The stairs incorporated lighting, so in the evenings if they come home late at night or they've got groceries in hand, they've got a good set of stairs here, so those lights are going to help them be able to see their way down, not trip in the dark. They also wanted a craftsman feel, so we incorporated these porch with the timber frame. So right when you drive up to the home, that's the first thing you see. You want to make sure that when you do a remodel that the aesthetics feel authentic and feel like they weren't something that was added on later, that it was planned that way. Another thing we had to think about in this project was the drainage, the way the land flowed. So we had to add this new stacked block retaining wall. The clients then came back and added all their beautiful flowers. So they've got a really charming space just to sit on the porch. Whether they're looking at the lake view in the back or in the front, they can sit out here and enjoy those evenings as well.
And if you'd like to see what F&S Building Innovations can do for you, they're located in Roanoke but travel throughout the area. 540-985-9160. You can find them on Facebook or online at fs4seasons.com.